As we say almost every day, if you're trying to short this market, your first stop should be the doctor's office. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. It is Wednesday, the 26th of August, and whew, my God, look at that NASDAQ go. It is it's beyond unbelievable. In the meantime, it is what it is. We're long, so not so bad. S&P exploding, but it's interesting that the Dow and the Russell's really getting under pressure, and the Dow has been right around the unchanged line. So the coordinates here are way out of whack. It does not matter. We're long, and obviously the NASDAQ is big enough to take it all on. So it does, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. Okay, again, and we will stay long until we're not. So even if I think that this market's overbought, what am I going to do? I'm not going to fade. I'm going to follow the rules and follow the algorithm, because that is the best way and the purest way to trade. Okay, the bonds are getting punished in the notes again only meaning that that interest rates may start to rise, and of course with the big demand for money, it wouldn't be a surprise. In the meantime, we're short both bonds and notes. The metals having a little bit of a bounce today. Not a shock, not a surprise. Okay, again, we've expected a little bit of a bounce. Again, I wrote for Kitco. Again, there are certain levels. Markets just don't go straight up or straight down unless it's a net. No, they find times to sell off. So again, right now it's having a little bit of a bounce. That's all. We're short. It's against it. It's not the end of the world. Again, you expect rallies when markets get drilled. Just like one of these days, next couple of days, the NASDAQ will probably sell off pretty big. But again, we're not going to worry about it. I'm telling you that those are things to expect, because they don't go straight in one direction. There's usually a couple of bumps along the road to try to shake out the weak hands. Crude oil, it's on both sides of the chain. Again, it's way up there. It's looking like it's trying to break out. So obviously, as you know, I whine about it every day. I hate being long it, but I'm making money. Why would I care? It's still going up. I'm still making money. At the end of the day, I hate it, but until it changes, I'll be long, right along with everybody else. Natural gas a little bit lower, copper a little bit higher. The dollar under pressure again. It was up nicely earlier, but it's again once again falling apart. Watch the 92 level on the bottom. We'll see what happens. Grains, they're kind of fluctuating around, plus or minus. Okay. Corn and wheat were lower this morning, or much lower earlier, not much lower, but a few cents lower. Wheat's now positive. Corn's still down a little bit, and soybeans have been trading in about a 5-cent range, but almost on the positive exclusively. But again, really not a lot of action there. But again, the action is very good. A, based on our positions, and B, based on the price action. So we expect higher prices. The meats, they're under a little bit of stress. Again, you expect certain things to happen. Not an overall surprise, but again, they are under a little bit of pressure. Not major, but of course anything can change by the time the day is over. But again, we'll look and see if they change. Again, we know we're short feeders, long fats are live cattle, and long hogs. And until that changes, we won't change. So that's really what's going on. But listen, I don't know where we're going. It could be anywhere from here. I mean, the action in the NASDAQ is certainly blow-off type action, but do you really want to step in front of that train? So follow the rules, have your exit, be disciplined, be patient, and you'll find reasonable trades. In the meantime, don't forget about our partnership with Family Farms. We really look forward to working with them, and I can't wait to get out of this COVID stuff so we can get out in public together. In the meantime, they're wonderful partners, and we're trying to do the same thing. We all want to help, the farming community in the world, so that's what we're looking for. And of course, our brokerage partners, they're second to none. CTG, futures, and commodities. They do all of our letter direction trading. They take care of everything on time. I mean, we had a new order today, 6:30 in the morning. It was executed. We really didn't have one, but again, if it was, it would be 6:30 in the morning. In the meantime, I do have other brokers, but I let them trade my account for me based on the signal, so I don't get involved. Okay, and they've got some nice new products coming out, which I'm actually going to present with them. But again, I've got other brokerage accounts, but that's who I prefer. And in equities and options, trade here, again, there's none better. At $10 a month, that's the first big thing. But they've got the same execution. They've got a couple of nice platforms, but you can get in for as low as $10 a month, all in. No other commissions. Think about that. Why would you want to give your money away? So, and the commodity report, Andy Heck, marvelous job he continues to do. I mean, if you read it, you'll see he's been spot on at what's going on in this market. And he also gives you the future of the commodity or an ETF that goes with it. So there are trades that can be created from that. It's called Technomental. It's on BUBBATrading.com. Any questions, just feel free to email me at bubba@bubbatrading.com. And we will see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Enjoy, be careful, trade if you want. Again, there's nothing wrong with trading. Just know where you're getting out. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.